Hello guys, how are you? So I'm going to show you in this video how you can use Zapier, Slack and Gmail in order to create a order tracking system. Let's say you are using Slack in your company and you have a channel that your team is monitoring all the new orders that they need to prepare for shipping. Okay, so as soon as I receive a new order notification in my email inbox, I'm just grabbing this information using Zapier and posting here. I'm going to show you the order example, but you can use any other situation for customer requests that you have, or let's say you are tracking a particular promotion in a website. When you receive a message you want to post in a channel on Slack for your marketing team to track. So you can use the same idea that I'm going to show you here. Okay, so how is the way that is working? So as soon as I receive a message here from one particular email ID, I'm going to track this on Zapier and post on Slack. So let me show you this. I'm receiving orders from my system, for example, Mauricio plus orders at my domain. So as soon as I receive one particular message from, this is the ID, okay, message coming directly to this email inbox, it's the identifications for Zapier to post. Okay, so let's say I go here and I just send a message like this. Suppose my system is sending this particular email here, okay, order 8, just sending this message. It's going directly to that email inbox, and Zapier will process to send to Zapier. Okay, message received. Yep, with the information. Let's take a look here, and the order 8 is going to be published in some minutes. Okay, order 8 published. So now your team, your order team is gonna start processing because they just received a new message. You see, this is the way that you can define. So let me show you in terms of the Zapier what I did. Okay, so it's pretty super straightforward. What you need to do is you set up a new Gmail with Slack integration. So just go here on the Gmail, new email is coming. So you set up your account, and the trigger you can do in different ways this configuration. Okay, so for example, let's say you apply filters and you apply a label and you can track one particular label. Okay, but in this case we are tracking accordingly with the email. Okay, so when I receive this, after this, what I need to do is just apply a filter. Okay, it's important to apply a filter. Let's say I'm going to apply a filter just for one email in particular. Okay, so when I receive a message for the to is Mauricio, for example, that's it. So when I apply this filter, I'm making sure that, for example, this only this Slack will be published, this message, when I have this filter. And at the end, what I have is the publishing on Slack. So I'm selecting the channel that I have, the order, so I put the subject, please start the order preparation, the body of the email, everything that contains inside of the email is going to be published here, and also the message email link, okay, in case they need to go and see the original message. Okay, and some others, the bot name, send as a bot, yes, this is the bot name, if they need to include a link, some other standard that you can define, and that's it. Okay, it's ready, so you don't need to do anything more. So when you receive a message, you filter only that particular to not start sending all the message that you receive in your inbox. Okay, another way that you can do is you can have one individual email, let's say orders@yourdomain.com, and this way all the message that is coming, so you don't need to apply this filter. Okay, but this is one way that you can do. Not sure if you know, but for example, when you are using Google Workspace, let's say you have your standard email, you can add anything, for example, any information here with a plus and any information, okay, and it will redirect the message to this particular message, and you can use this for tracking. Okay, let me know if you have any questions, and also we have a Zapier course I'm gonna leave on the description if you want to learn step by step how to set up your automations. Okay, yep, see you in the next video. Bye bye.